The first step is to simply go to ChatGPT, and as you can see, I asked ChatGPT to generate me a table with top 10 companies. Now, if I want to import this directly to Google Sheets, what I'm gonna have to do is simply ask ChatGPT to turn this into a CSV file. So simply type in make it a CSV file. And keep in mind that you can do this on mobile too, so it doesn't matter if you're using the mobile version of ChatGPT or the computer version. All we have to do is simply make it as a CSV file. So this is very important, otherwise it won't work. So we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up. So we're gonna have to click on the download file, and as you can see, starting download, and we have here the file. Now simply go back to Google Sheets, and then we're gonna have to click on File in the top left corner, and then click on Import. Then we're gonna have to go to Upload and click on Browse, and then we're gonna have to select the file, then click Open, and now we're gonna have to simply wait. Now if you want, you can replace this, so I'm gonna simply click on Replace Current Sheet, and then click on Import Data, and now we should have the data right here, as you can see. So basically, that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.